When foreign people talk negative about the Philippines, how does that make you feel? If you had the opportunity to work and live abroad, but under one condition, you could never return to the Philippines, would you do it? In your opinion, would the Philippines be better off today if the United States still ruled it? Ay, excuse me, pwede ka ma-interview? Sorry. Yeah, pwede ka lang kita. Kaya 2 minutes lang, saglit lang. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Charmaine. I'm 21 years old.
How are you tonight, Charmaine?
I'm fine.
You're fine. That's good to hear.
Thank you.
In your opinion, would the Philippines be better off today if the United States still ruled it?
Um,
Yes or no?
yes, I think
When foreign people talk negative about the Philippines, how does that make you feel?
foreign people talk negatives about the Philippines. Medyo nabibilittle ako.
You feel belittled.
Yes, I feel belittled. So, it's not embarrassing to be a Filipino. It's very I'm very proud that I'm a Filipino. But most of foreigners are you know think of Filipinos as dumb and like I mean I'm not belittling us, but their stereotype for us is like we're dumb, we're like parang makes you feel sad, I guess. That's what you're asking. Kasi yun po.
Because of the stereotypes that
Yeah,
the
that's
foreign people are,
thinking about us. Ganun.
okay, and that makes you feel sad. Okay, now, if you had the opportunity to work and live abroad, but under one condition, you could never return to the Philippines, would you do it?
Um to be honest, yes, I would do it. Because I think my life would be better in other country in other country than our country. Because in my profession that I'm taking right now is I'm taking nursing. So uh nursing in our country is it's not really, it doesn't have a good salary. So when it comes I in other country being a nurse is such a privilege, pero in our country parang binibilita lang, parang yeah, you're just a nurse, something like that.
You're taking nursing, right? You're 21 years old. Are you in a relationship? Like, do you have a boyfriend or are you single?
I'm single po
How long have you been single?
since birth.
Since birth. Wow. No plans on having a boyfriend soon or what?
No.
Ben, is it okay to interview you for our members video?
Okay, sure po.
Okay. So, members, see you on the video. Interview ko na interview ko na kami ulit. Audio to kami ngayon. Sorry. See you soon again. Excuse me. Pwede ka naman interview, Ben. Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, kahit 2 minutes lang or 3 minutes. Okay lang. 5 questions man lang. Ano man lang. Pero ka pa dyan. Basic English lang. Ito pa mo. Okay lang. Okay lang. What are your names and ages?
Trisha, 20 po.
I'm Johanna. I'm 20 years old.
Shaira, 21.
In your opinion, would the Philippines be better off today if the United States still ruled it?
I think yes, but Philippines can stand on their own as long as the government rule the country properly.
Yeah, same as her answer, because here in the Philippines, the government sometimes it's not like as good, but I don't blame it, but sometimes the government is not okay, but yeah. You say.
Well, now we are all the same answer, but for me, like we can stand on our own as a Filipino, but also we can unite with others because I do believe that even pang budget I do believe that even ano po, oh my Lalabraw siya.
Okay, you mean the Philippines can stand its own, but it will be better off, of course, with the help of the United States.
Yes.
When foreign people talk negative about the Philippines, how does that make you feel? That's a
Oh, of course, because as a Filipino, of course, we feel very bad because it's our own country. And sometimes when people talk bad stuff about us, of course, they're sometimes mad, but sometimes they're right. But yeah, sometimes it's very, very sad. Yeah.
sad. How about you, Beth?
Um, it's sad, but sometimes kasi they're just being honest about what happening on our country.
Okay, you can't do anything, right? Just accept because
Yeah.
that's what's.
Accept that we just have.
So, yeah, ano din, like, we have different culture and ano din naman. So, we need to respect the other opinion and ano. Because sometimes what they see is what the truth tells.
So just acceptance.
Yeah.
Her acceptance, and both of you, you just feel sad. Okay. Next, if you had the opportunity to work and live abroad, but under one condition, you could never return to the Philippines, would you do it?
Um, right now, I'm planning to go abroad to work, but in that condition, I think no, because I really love our countries, and I really hope that someday the government will change and the Philippines will be better.
I love that. Let's pray for that. Okay, how about you, Ben?
Same as her. Yeah. I mean, at first, of course, there are times na I want to go abroad like permanently, but at the same time, still I want to stay because I know to myself that I'm a true Filipino citizen. So, yeah.
So definitely you'll choose the Philippines over, a better life living abroad. Okay, how about you, Ben?
Same then, yes. I would like to travel, but I will stay here in the Philippines also because I'm a Filipino and there's so many things that beautiful we can see in the Philippines.
You can never remove the Philippines from Filipinas. Okay. Now, okay, if you had the power to change one thing about the Philippines, what would it be? Let's start with you, Be.
We, government.
Same as her, government.
Yeah, the government.
I have one more question. Is it really the government really bad here in the Philippines?
Actually, not all, because there's so many officials that really give their best to our country. They do their work to serve the people, but the most powerful ones are the ones who destroy the picture of the Philippines.
The image of the Philippines and then the government officials. Do you have anything to add, Be?
None, because she just said it.
I know you're in college. What are you studying?
Civil engineering.
Same
Yes po.
civil engineering. So you must be like smart. Humble, very humble.
Actually, hindi po kami, we're not, based in Naga po. Taga Legazpi po.
Oh, I'm from Legazpi. Oh my God! It's my hometown. Okay, so you're from Legazpi. Where in Legazpi? Albay?
Yes po.
Albay. Daraganak, Albay, exactly.
Okay, I'm from Daraga.
I'm from Ginobatan.
Sorsogon.
So, school, what school are you?
Divine Word College of Legazpi.
Private school, guys. So, smart, rich? No.
Oh, I don't think so.
I don't think so. Okay. Are you like, do you have like boyfriends or you're singles?
I have boyfriend.
Very single.
Very sing.
Why are you singles?
It's I'm done. I'm already done. I don't wanna. Ayoko na.
No, how long have you been single, Be?
Few weeks ago, it's complicated with someone, but yeah, I'm very.
Me, 1 year ago.
A year ago. Okay. So they're from Legazpi. Oh my God, that's my hometown, Legazpi. I studied in Bicol University. excuse me. Di pwede ka ma-interview. Nag-vlog kami. Kahit 2 minutes lang. Okay lang? YouTube. Straight interview. Random lang. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Carla Kim. Carla Kim, 19 years old.
In your opinion, would the Philippines be better off today if the United States still ruled it?
I think the Philippines would be better if the Americans still ruled here in the Philippines because as you can see, the United States today is very rich in, like, there's a um more advantages living in US than the Philippines. Like here, there's a lot of corruption and contractors like that. Yes po. So I think it would be better if the US still ruled here in the Philippines po.
When foreign people talk negative about the Philippines, how does that make you feel?
It makes me sad, of course, because this is my country. Of course, I love my country, but it makes me feel sad because
Because it's your country, it's our country. Okay. If you had the opportunity to work and live abroad, but under one condition, you could never return to the Philippines, would you do it?
for my situations, I think I would do it.
You would do it.
Yes, because it's my dream to go abroad, to work in abroad. Like, it's really my dream.
It's your dream to work there and live there for the rest of your life.
If my family is there, I think.
If you had the power to change one thing about the Philippines, what would it be?
I would like to change again the governance, the situation right now. If I would have a power to do that, because I'm very sad of happenings here in Philippines, so that if I would have a power to change, the power that I would change is the governance. Tama po.
The government, the governance. Yeah, you can say governance as well. Do you think the Philippines would be successful, like wealthy, if there's no corruption?
Yes, of course. Because if there's a good governance here in Philippines, a lot of people will have I mean, if there is good governance here in Philippines, there would be a positive environment to all, especially to Filipino people. That's
You are 19 years old. Okay, still studying ba?
yes po.
What are you studying?
My course is teacher education.
Major in?
Bachelor of Elementary Education po.
But thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. She's very sweet, guys, and very shy at the same time. Very shy. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflections